Hi, welcome back. And of course, today we're looking at role and permission for staffs, right? So, of course, the first thing I recommend people to do or you to do if you want to add your staff, firstly, you create the role and permission that suits their operations, right? So, to do this, please go ahead and hit on your menu, right? So, once the menu it's opened, right? Okay, so of course, please scroll down to staff/vault management. Once it's open, click hit on role and permission. Please click on role and permission. Okay, it's loading. Right, so of course, once it loads, all the defaults or all the options that have been previously created or the system have created for you be displayed. I strongly advise you ignore this or you edit, but if you do not know how to do this, to edit, please click on view and edit, and please be advised, do not edit or adjust company owner role and permission. Please do not do that, right? We recommend you can do for any other, but not company owner role and permission, else you might be logged out of your account, right? To add additional role, which we refer as much safer, go ahead and hit on the role, the button that says role at the top, then go ahead and give it a name. I can say the name of this is marketer, right? So what do I want marketer to do? For example, I want marketer to be able to manage savings. Go ahead, open an account for customers. Go ahead and restrict customer. Go ahead and view customers via customer report, right? So these are basically options which I want to give you. Please be advised, you can add as many privileges, right? Whichever one you think, that's basically what your staff will see when they log in, right? So once you've satisfied, please go ahead and click on save and ensure it sets permission added, right? It's very important that you pay attention that it says added, right? Of course, once that is done, you refresh. The essence why you are refreshing is to ensure that what you've added are displayed for you, right? It's still version. Of course, it's here, right? So what we added now is here, right? So the next step, of course, to hit on your menu, then scroll down. A second, please. Right, so of course on your menu you scroll down to staff/vault management, still on same menu, and click on manage staff. Right, so on the manage staff you get to see all the staff that has been added, and of course all the role and permission assigned to each of them, right? So if you've already added any staff, and of course you want to change the roles they should have, please go ahead and click on action, then go ahead and click on edit, right? So by your right hand side, please go ahead and select another, right, where it's right. So I'll go ahead and select where it said set role. Please go ahead and change it and hit on save, right? So of course select a branch and hit on save, right? So of course once you hit on save, that works fine, right? So if the staff no longer work with you, all we recommend you to do is go ahead, select the status, and of course change it to disable and save, right? So that's simply how simple it is, right? So moving next, for example, if you've not added the staff at all, right, there won't be room for you to start editing, right? So the first thing you want to do at the top center, there's a button that says add staff. Please go ahead and hit on it. Go ahead, provide the staff first and last name. I can decide to say it's test me wherever, right? testme@gmail.com, right? I'm not adding this stuff, right? Then go ahead, provide a phone number, select a branch which it belongs to. Please pay attention to the set rule and select the appropriate one that you've created. Then go ahead, enter the password, right? We strongly advise on the password part. We strongly advise you enter 12345, right? Then allow the staff to log in and reset it to whatever they can remember, right? Adopting or creating a user with a complicated password which you may likely not remember might cause you some slight of delay on the onboarding, which of course we recommend that you allow your staff reset their password themselves, hence they will be the one managing this. And of course, if you do forget the password which you've created before the time of watching this video, please go ahead and click on action, right? Click on action at any of the stuff, right click on edit and hit on send reset password or send reset pin as the case may be, and of course you'll be good. Thank you.